Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question taken from JEE Main exam of 2023. It is a column matching question which involves displacement time graphs and velocity time graphs. We are required to find the VT graph for each XT graph. Read the question carefully. Match column 1 with column 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The options are given in the question. We are required to find the correct option. Now for the solution. Displacement x and velocity v are related as v is equal to dx by dt. That is, the time derivative of displacement is equal to velocity. From this, we understand that the slope of xt graph is equal to velocity, because v is equal to the time derivative of displacement is velocity. Therefore, the slope of xt graph, the displacement time graph, will give us the velocity. Now, we'll examine the xt graphs one by one. Let us first examine the displacement time graph in A, this one. The slope of this graph is positive and also increasing gradually. Therefore, the corresponding velocity is also has to be positive and also must be increasing with time, which tallies with the VT graph, the second VT graph. Therefore, we can safely write A is equal to 2. Now, let us examine the second xt graph B. Initial position of the particle is equal to x0 at time t is equal to 0, and the slope is negative because it is coming down. Slope is negative, and finally it approaches 0 value because it becomes almost parallel to the time axis. Therefore, the corresponding velocity should also be negative and it should be approaching 0. Therefore, the corresponding VT graph should be VT graph given in 4, option 4. That is, here also you can see that the velocity initially at time t is equal to 0, the velocity v0 is maximum negative and it approaches 0 value. From this itself, we can answer the question, because A having option 2 and B having option 4, there is only one option here, 1, which has got this combination A2 and B4. Therefore, 1 has to be correct, but we will try to understand how the other two, C and D, matches with the VT graphs. Now, let us examine the xt graph given in option C, this one. So, the first half, during the first half, it is a straight line and the slope is positive. Therefore, the slope is positive and slope is also constant. In the second half, slope is negative, and because it is a straight line, the slope is also constant. Therefore, the first part of the velocity should be positive and constant, and the second part of the velocity should be negative and constant. This happens in option 3. So therefore, we can write this as the third option for C. The fourth one, the xt graph given in D, is a straight line and the slope is positive. Therefore, we predict that the velocity should be a positive constant, which tallies with the VT graph given in option 1. Therefore, we can safely corresponding VT graph is given in 1. So, A2, B4, C3 and D1, this is the answer to the question, and the correct option is 1. 1 is the correct option. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching.